Hi, third and fourth graders. You're working on your opinion writing today, and you are taking all of the research that you did last week where you noticed a problem in the world and you found evidence to back up your claim. You wrote about a counter argument, why someone might not agree with you on this topic, and you found solutions. If your research is done, you're ready to go to Google Classroom and select Opinion Slideshow, which you'll find in Writer's Workshop, and you'll have your own Google Slideshow template where you'll see the directions for what to do on each slide. If you've done the lessons from last week, we wrote out our research by writing slide 1, slide 2. You'll notice though that slide 1 is the title page. So your notebook will say slide 1, but it will be here, introduction, on slide 2. So I hope you don't find that too confusing. When you go into Google Classroom, that's where you'll always find your template. You don't have to finish it all in one day. It automatically saves. You'll have all of this week to work on your slideshow. So remember when we did our Ohlone slideshows, you come in, you write your name. So you'll come in and find it looking like this. You'll write your own title. It says write your title and insert a photo here. Delete the directions as you complete each step. So I'm working on whales should not be held in captivity. And I know I need to insert a photo and have a title. I read the directions. I delete. I can either get my picture by going to image and search the web, or I can get my picture by going and opening up another window and dragging it into my slideshow. I happen to have my picture sitting on my desktop that I know that I want to use, but if you're using a Chromebook, you would go to insert an image and search the web. And I'm going to make my picture a bit smaller. So let's say this is my project. I have my name. I belong here, not there. So this is an image. I want to have a border on it. Oh, I don't want the border to be black. I want it to be darker. Okay, and so my image is I belong here, like in the ocean, not out there. Not here in a pool, because that's what I'm saying. And then I haven't really thought about what my title's going to be. I'll share my slideshow with you as I do it this week. But right now, just to show you how to use this, I'll say free the whales. Okay, and then I would go to my second slide is actually in your notebooks, slide number 1. And that's where you'll go and look at, in your notebooks, it says slide 1, ask a question, and you would highlight and you would delete this and you would write your question. And then you would find your claim, highlight, delete this, write your claim, add in a photo. And so as you do the work on the page, you would delete the directions. So you have your question and your claim, evidence, more evidence, solutions, different opinion, counter argument, and conclusion, and meet the author. So as we go throughout the week, I will be working on my slideshow, and I'll show you how I'm doing things, and I'll explain how I'm doing them. And then if you're having any problems working on your slideshow, you can email me, text me, and let me know you need help, and we can set up a time where we both go into Google Classroom and both go to your slideshow, and we can work on it together. I can go into your slideshow while you're there working on it. So I'm looking forward to seeing you put all of your research from your writer's notebook into a Google Slideshow where you convince me that I should feel the same way you do about the problem that you noticed.